Viewers, today we will talk about Harvard Pyle, the father of American illustration. Howard Pyle is widely regarded as one of the most influential figures in American illustration. His artistic journey began early, marked by a fervent passion for storytelling and a keen eye of detail, which would later define his illustrator's career. Pius grew up in a supportive family that encouraged his artistic inclination. He initially studied at the Friends School in Wilmington and later attended the Art Student League in New York. However, he found traditional academic training stifling and soon returned home to pursue a more independent path. His determination to frog his unique style paid off when he started illustrating from magazines such as Harper Weekly and Scribner's Monthly in the late 1870s. One of Pye's significant breakthrough came with his illustration for the merry adventures of Robin Hood. Published in 1883, his work showcased his ability to blend meticulous historical accuracy with vibrant academic composition, captivating readers and critics alike. Plays Robin Hood remains a definitive visual representation of the legendary outlaw, influencing subsequent interpretation across various media. Pyle's distinctive style combined realistic detail with the scenes of romantic idealism, often emphasizing the heroism and moral fortitude of his subjects. His illustrations were not mere embellishment but integral components of the storytelling process. This approach earned him a reputation as a master of narrative art, setting a standard of future illustrators. In addition to his work as an illustrator, Plave was also a prolific author. He wrote and illustrated numerous books, including The Wonder Clock 1888 and The Garden Behind the Moon 1895. His retellings of Arthurian legends, particularly in the story of King Arthur and his King Knights 1903 and its sequels, solidified his status as a premier interpreter for myth and legend. Hoyle's literary style, marked by rich, evocative prose, complemented his visual artistry, creating immersive world that captivated young and old readers alike. In 1894, Piles founded the Harvard Pies School of Illustration Art in Wellington. His institution became a curricle of American illustration, nurturing talents like N.C. White, Frank E. Schoenwehr, and Jesus Wilcox Smith. Pies teaching philosophy emphasized the importance of personal vision and emotional authenticity in art. He encouraged his students to immerse themselves in their subjects to live and breathe the world they depicted. His immersive approach helped produce some of the most compelling and enduring works of the early 20th century. His influence extended beyond his direct student. His work set a new standard for book and magazine illustration, inspiring a generation of artists who sought to blend narrative depth with visual excellence. His impact was particularly felt in the burgeoning field of children's literature, where his dynamic composition and vivid storytelling set a high bar for artistic and literary quality. Despite his success, Play was known for his modesty and dedication to his craft. He remained deeply connected to his roots in Wellington, drawing inspiration from the landscapes and historical sites of his native Delaware. His love for American history and folklore was evident in much of his work, imbuing his illustration with a sense of authenticity and reverence for the past. In the later years of his career, Play traveled to Italy to study the old masters, seeking to refine his techniques further. Unfortunately, his journey was cut short when he fell ill and passed away in Florence in 1911. Pearl's death was a significant loss to the art world, but his legacy lived on through his students and the countless artists he inspired. Howard Pye's contribution to illustration and storytelling are immeasurable. He pioneered a new approach to visual storytelling that married artistic skill with narrative depth, laying the groundwork for modern illustration. His work continues to be celebrated for his beauty, craftsmanship, and enduring impact on American art and culture. Viewers, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.